Are you a YouTube creator and wanted to know how much does YouTube pay for 1000 views to YouTube creators? Then you are in the right video, because in this video I'm going to explain you in detail, very detailedly, how does YouTube pay its creators. How does advertisers pay YouTube? How much share does YouTube take? How much share does YouTube give YouTube creators? And how can you easily increase your revenue by just changing the tags and keywords of your video? So stay till the last, because I'm going to tell you some amazing stuff that you don't get anywhere. So hi and welcome everyone. I'm Rushvik, YouTube growth expert, and I'm on a mission to help 10,000 YouTube creators become financially free using YouTube. I hope that you are in one of them who want to become financially free using YouTube. So if you are in one of them, then click the subscribe button and click the bell icon, because I'm very sure that my channel would help you in some or the other way to increase your views, subscribers and revenue. And at the end of the video, I have given a bonus tip that will help you increase your viewers, subscribers and engagement, and finally YouTube revenue by 10 times. So be till last, see till last, and don't skip the video, and let's get into our content. So before answering your question, that is how much does YouTube pay for 1000 views, you need to know some important things as a YouTube creator. They are, see, YouTube doesn't pay from its pockets. YouTube pay only basis on your advertisements. YouTube also earns money from advertisements. Got shocked? Yeah, YouTube also earns money through advertisements, because see, advertisers would pay for impressions. That is, see, I will give you an example to make it very clear for you. Let's assume that your channel is monetized. See, when your channel is monetized, you can start running ads on your videos. See, if you are not into YouTube partner program, that is, if you didn't attend 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you cannot apply to YouTube partner program. Once you get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you can easily apply for the YPP, and after applying for the YouTube partner program, you can monetize your videos. And when your videos are monetized, then certain ads would be run on your videos. When ads are running on your videos, when some audience clicks some link or sees the ad till last, or at least for 30 seconds, then the advertisers would pay money. The advertisers don't pay money for one click or one impression. They pay money for 1000 impressions. See, when 1000 people see your ad completely, then advertisers would pay you money. That is, the advertisers would pay you from $1 ranging to $50 depending on your niche and depending on your country. I will explain you that about it in the coming end of the video. So stay till last. Okay, see, in whatever amount the advertisers have paid, in that 55% part of it is yours, that is YouTube creators, and 45% part is YouTube's. So YouTube is also earning through you. So YouTube is not paying you, you are paying YouTube by making videos. This is the important thing that you need to know. Just kidding. Okay, so I think this is very clear for you, because as a YouTube creator you need to know this important thing. So advertisers would be paying you for impressions, and you not get the 100% share, you would only get 55% share. And the second thing, that is, depending on your niche and the country of your audience, you would be paid differently. For example, let's assume that you are doing in a niche that is very high paying. Like some high paying niches are credit cards, real estates, make money online, and the biggest high paying niche is insurance. These are high paying niche, and when you make some videos on this niche, and when you add the keywords and tags on these niches, ads that are run in your videos will be related to these high paying advertisers, and you'd be paid highly. And not only that, if your audience are from a developed country, you'd be paid high, and if your audience are from less developed country or in a developing country, you'd be paid low. For example, In Australia, you would be paid for 1,000 impressions, or for a cooking channel, you would be paid $7. But for the same 1,000 impressions in India, you would be paid only $0.9. So this is the difference. Depending on your niche and depending on your country, you would be paid differently. So let's get into our calculation. That is, how much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? And the third most important thing that you need to know, that is, YouTube doesn't run ads on every view. Yeah, it's true. See, there is a section called monetized playback section in the YT Studio or YouTube Studio. See, what does it mean? It shows you number of views that were run ads. Like if the number is 1,000, it means that 1,000 views were run ads. It doesn't show how many ads were seen till last, but it just shows how many playbacks were monetized. For example, if you have got 10,000 views for a video, and for 10,000 views you won't be running YouTube won't be running ads on all the 10,000 views. YouTube only runs ads on only limited amount of views, that is 6,000 or 7,000 views. And for the 6,000 or 7,000 views, let's assume that 3,000 view advertisements were seen till last by the audience. And as I said before, advertisers pay for 1,000 impressions. You have got 3,000 impressions. And if you have made a topic of high paying niche like insurance, and if your viewers are from a very developed country, for 3,000 views you would easily get $30 for 1,000 impressions. And for 3,000 impressions, I think you can calculate 30 into 3, that is $90. Yeah, this is the thing. See, whatever I'm saying is not rock solid. I'm just trying to explain you the concept. So let's get into our main question, that is, how much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views? As I said, three important things. That is, depending on your niche, your earning will vary. Depending on your audience, country, your income would vary. And YouTube would take 45% share and you would only get 55% share. Remember these three things, because this would help you in our calculation. See, first, let's assume that for 1,000 views, all were run ads. It's not possible practically, but let's assume that all the views were run ads. And for 1,000 views, you have got 1,000 monetized playbacks. And for 1,000 monetized playbacks, let's assume that, yeah, it's tough to assume, I know. Let's assume that 1,000 advertisements were seen till last by your audience, and this means that you have got 1,000 impressions. Now, it always depends on your niche. Now, for 1,000 impressions, if you are making a video on credit cards, and if your audience are from America, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, then you would easily get $30, $40 easily. And if you are making on a high paying niche, but your audience are from developing country like India, you'd get $10, $15. And if you are making a video on low paying niche like entertainment or cooking, whatever it may be, then if your viewers are from very developed country, you would be getting $10. Or if your viewers are from developing country, you would be getting a $0.9, $1, $2 revenue. So this is what happens. So I cannot give you a rock solid answer. If I try to give you a rock solid answer, I am doing something wrong. So you shouldn't subscribe my channel if I'm saying a rock solid answer. So wait. Don't unsubscribe the channel if you have unsubscribed it, because I'm giving you a genuine answer. Yeah, it's very useful for you in your coming years of YouTube journey. And I think that I have cleared you everything, the most important concepts, how YouTube pay you money. And not only that, let me know in the comment section on which niche are you working. Is it in a real estate, or is it in make money online, cooking, beauty, whatever it may be. Let me know in the comment section below. I would surely answer your questions. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. And don't miss any comment that is in the comment section. If you liked this video, click the like button, and if you disliked the video, no problem, click the dislike button. I will adjust and I will try to improve and give you more valuable content in my next upcoming videos. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and click the subscribe button and click the bell button, because my channel is going to help you in some or the other way to increase your viewers, subscribers and add revenue. And not only that, there is a bonus tip at the end of the video. That is, I have created a Telegram channel for all the YouTube creators from different niches and different countries. So if you get into join my Telegram channel, that is for free. If you join the Telegram channel, I would be posting some important books, important ebooks, important articles, important mind maps and important reminders, videos, whatever it may be, that would help you grow your views, subscribers, engagement and finally revenue. Because my final aim is to help 10,000 YouTube creators to become financially free using YouTube. So I'm trying all the ways through which I can help you people. So if you are a YouTube creator, subscribe my channel and join the Telegram channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.